Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the I welcome you all on the platform of Exam4 English Medium Prep channel. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and we are here to do the percentages part 2 as percentages part 1 we have already completed. So now it's the turn of percentages part 2. Come on, do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining, and you can share the session as well after joining it. So we have read the fractions yesterday and we are going to do some more questions over them today. We have read the fractions yesterday and we will continue from there onwards and do some questions over it. Hello Rushi, hello Bhargavi, very good morning to all. I hope all of you are great, having a great time with the studies only. Okay. So what we have done so far, we have finished off the fractions. Okay. Some special fractions I would be taking. In the examples. Okay. And then we will be moving on. From here as well. So, hello Sachin. Very good morning to all. I hope all of you are absolutely great. Okay. So, this is the first question what I'm keeping today, that x% of y is 75 and y% of z is 300. What is the relation between y and z? X% of y is 75 and y% of z is 300. What is the relation between x and z? Options would be something like this. X is equal to 4z. Z is equal to 4x. X is equal to z, something like this. Okay. X% of y is equal to 75. Y% of z is equal to 300. What is the relation between x and z? Guys, we want to establish the relation between x and z. So I think we have to eliminate y. So divide it. By the help of division, we can eliminate y. Percentage will cancel out. Off will cancel out. Y will cancel out. So x upon z will come out to be 1 by 4. So z is equal to 4x. Is it absolutely clear? Come on, do tell me, guys, after you are done with this. Z is equal to 4x. Rushi, a small error. Z is equal to 4x. Please identify your error and make it correct. Clear? Great. Let's move on. This fraction I told you in the previous class as well. Make use of it. This particular fraction, guys, I have given you in the previous class. Please make the question by using that fraction. As I told you yesterday that 12.5% is 1 by 8 Since 12.5% is 1 by 8, so 37.5% is 3 by 8. Since 12.5% is 1 by 8, we have learned it. So 37.5% is 3 by 8. It's not about only learning. It's about we have derived these as well. Yeah, we have derived these values as well. So increase by 37.5% means increased by 3 over 8. Increased by 3 over 8. Can I say from 8, it has now become 8 plus 3, 11? Can I say from 8, now it has become 11? This was your old, this is your new. From 8, it has now become 11. The new number is given. 11 is given as 8910. 11 is given as 8910. So, if 11 is 8910, 1 is 810. 1 is 810. 1 is 810. So 8 is 8 into 810. 0 into 8, 0. 1 into 8, 8. 8, 8 just 64. 6480 is your answer. 6480 is your answer. Well done, Shrivani. Well done. Well done. I'm taking a side out of here. You just write it down. You just write it down. Perfect. Let's move on to the next question. Now more quality questions will come, so be ready. Now more quality questions will come, so be ready. Yeah, here it is, one of them. Please be very focused. Keep on sharing the session as well, guys. Keep on sharing the session as well across your friend circles. Yeah, those who are preparing for government examinations, those who are preparing for government examinations, whether they are SSC, they are banking or railways, whatever they are being preparing for, we are here with this new English medium channel where we are going to keep a very good content over here, and the mode of the language is purely English medium, which would be very beneficial for those who are not that comfortable in bilingual language or who are not that comfortable when the Hindi comes in. Okay, so we have started this new initiative. We want you to be a part of it. Yeah, and you to take an initiative to share this channel, to share this platform across your friends. Okay. You know, eliminating a percentage sign means divide by 100. Eliminating a percentage sign means divide by 100. Off means multiplication. Of 8. Okay, what is the answer you're giving? A. Rushi is giving A. Rushi is giving A. Let's see. 2 more zeros. 2 more zeros. So 8 ka cube. This is 8 ka cube. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to की power. Three zeros were there. 10 to की power 9. 10 to की power 9. Divide by 1 by 9. Divide by 1 by 9. So, I can write this 8 as 2 ka cube. So, 2 ka cube into 3 over 10 की power 9. Divide by 1 by 9. So, this is going to be 2 by 10 की power 9 into 1 by 9. So, answer is 2 by 10 or 0.2. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Have you got it correctly? How many of you have got it correctly? How many of you have got it correctly? Okay, great. Very good. Very important question. A question from the previous years. A question from the previous years. Next. Come on, make it. I have told you certain fractions yesterday. I've told you certain fractions yesterday. Only thing is you need to make use of them. Only thing is you need to make use of them. If you remember, I told you 33.33% as 1 by 3. So this 66.66% is double of it. So it will become 2 by 3. So this is double of it. It will become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 of 75% is 75 by 100. That is 3 by 4. Of 1 by 8 of a certain number. Let the number is n. Let the number is n. Hello, NK Madesh, okay, is 179. Is 179. So can I say n is 16 into 179? Can I say n is 16 into 179? Well done, Srivani. Sachin is also giving answer. Now, what they are asking? 33.33% of 3/4 of that number. 33.33% is 1 by 3. 3/4 is 3/4 of that number. Basically, they are asking n by 4. Basically, they are asking n by 4. N is known just divided by 4. N is known just divided by 4 to make it n by 4. Answer is 4 into 179. Unit digit of 6. Unit digit of 6. Clear? Clear to all? If it is, you can let me know by either writing yes sir or by either like doing the thumbs up. You can either let me know by either raising the thumbs up or typing a yes sir. Okay. Great. Great. Let's move on. Let's move on. Do it very carefully. Do it very carefully. Lot of patience. No conceptual error whatsoever. No conceptual error whatsoever. Come on. I'm seeing that who is answering it. %60 of x minus y is equal to 45% of x plus y. Y is equal to k percent of x. Then 21% of k is equal to what? Wow. What a twisted question. What a twisted question. Yeah. But looking like an interesting one. And see the solution as well. It would be also very interesting. Guys, we have read it in the earlier classes. We have read it in the earlier classes that on the opposite side of equal to, we can cancel out the things. So, percentage of will get cancelled out. 15 3 ja, 15 4 ja. So, 4x minus 4y is equal to 3x plus 3y. 4x minus 4y is equal to 3x plus 3y. Take x on one side, y on another side. 4x minus 3x is equal to 4y plus 3y. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7y. X is equal to 7y. Or you can say y is equal to 1 by 7x. Or you can say y is equal to 1 by 7x. So y is equal to 1 by 7. Wow. Y is equal to 1 by 7x. Okay. So this is a fraction. This is a fraction. This is a percentage. This is a fraction. This is a percentage. We know 1 by 7 is equal to 14.28%, or we can say 100 by 7%. Converting a fraction into percentage is just multiplying by 100. Converting a fraction into percentage is just multiplying by 100. So it will become 100 by 7%. So my k is 100 by 7. So my k is 100 by 7. Okay, Sachin, I will take care of it. Converting a fraction into percentage is about multiplying by 100. So what is 21% of k? It is 21 upon 100 of 100 by 7, 3. Yeah. Clear? Guys, clear to all? If yes, please do let me know. If yes, please do let me know. Okay, great. Perfect. Perfect. Can I move on to the next question? Can I move on to the next question? Here it is. Do watch out. Okay. 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 Two numbers are 20% and 30% lesser than the third number. Okay. By how much percentage should the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? By how much the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? Let the numbers are A, B, and C. Since both are compared with the third number, so we will assume the third number first. Since both are compared with the third number, we will assume the third number first. 100. First is 20% less, means 80. First is 20% less, means 80. Second is 30% less, means 70. If there is any doubt to anyone, he or she can ask me. First is 20% less, so 100 minus 20. And second is 30% less, so 100 minus 30, 70. Yeah, great. Now the game of language. By how much percentage the second number should be enhanced? By how much percentage the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? Okay. What is your second number? 70. You want to make it to 80 because your first number is 80. Actually, you are doing the change. With the second number only. Second number was 70. You want to make it 80. So the change is happening on the second number only. From 70 to 80. So can I say there is an increment of 10 in the second number? Increment of 10 over 70 is 1 by 7. And 1 by 7 is 14.28%. Please do watch out and do let me know. Good morning, Shwarna. Yeah. Please do watch out and do let me know. Error happens over here. I'm just waiting, guys, if there would be any doubts whatsoever. Actually, you have to enhance the second number only. From 70 to 80. This A is only for the reference that you have to make it equal to A. So you have to change 70 to 80. So there is an increment of 10 over 70, 1 by 7, 14.28%. Clear? Great. Very good. Yeah, we are beginning with the we are doing it very systematic preparation. Okay, so you can always ask me questions. Let's make one more question over it. Two numbers are 40% and 50% less than the third number. 2% and 40% and 50% less than the third number. By how much second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? I think all of you can do it now. And all of you should do it, yeah, at any cost. Two numbers are 40% and 50% less than the third number. So assume the third number as 100. Assume the third number as 100. First would be 40% less, so 60. Second is 50% less, so 50. 50% less from 100 is 50 only. Okay. By how much the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? So second number need to be enhanced from 50 to 60. So there is an increment of 10. There is an increment of 10 over 50 over its original value 50. 1 by 5 into 100, 20% increment. Very well done. Very well done. Keep it up. Keep it up. Those who are giving 20%, guys, keep it up. So proud of you. Okay. Sachin, you have again made it the error. Sachin, you have again made it the error. Why are you doing it repeatedly? Which point you are struggling, you can let me know. I will make that point clear for sure. I think you are taking the change of 10 over 60. But no, that is the point over here, that you have to take the change over 50 only, because you are increasing the second number. Because you are increasing the second number from 50 to 60. So increment of 10 over 50. So increment of 10 over 50. Okay? Great. Next. This we will take it later. First, we will finish off basic questions. Then in the next classes, we will take more varieties. Please do it by very, lot of take care should be taken while doing it. Yeah. Quite a patience is required while doing it. A is 75% less than B. Wow. C is 75% of the difference between A and B. Then C is what percent more than A? C is what percent more than A? Do it with a lot of patience. Yeah, do it with a lot of patience. Shrivani has already answered it. Okay. Sachin, Reshma. Wow. A is 75% less than B. Assume B as 100. So A 75% less means only 25. A 75% less means only 25. C is 75% of the difference between A and B. Oh, cool. C is 75% of difference between A and B. And which is also 75. Now it's up to you how you want to keep it. You can keep it as in the decimal or in the fraction, 3 by 4. So it is becoming 225 by 4. C is 225 by 4. C is 225 by 4. So value of C also you got it as 225 by 4. C is how much more than A? C is how much more than A? Only write A and C. Only write A and C. 25. 225 divide by 4. Cross multiply. 100, 225. Cross multiply will make it simpler. Cross multiply will make the calculation simpler. Cross multiply will make the calculation simpler. So A is 100, C is 225. How much more? C is how much more? 125 more. C is how much more than A? Comparison has to be made with A. Comparison has to be made with A. So 125 more over A. That is 125 over 100 into 100, 125%. Any doubts whatsoever? And well done, those who have answered it. And well done, those who have answered it correctly. Any doubts, guys, whatsoever? Please do reply to me. Please do tell me if there is any. Okay. 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 Decimals, yeah, you can, but I would not recommend. Yeah, I would not recommend the decimals. Okay. So C is 125 more than A. 125% is the correct answer. 125% is the correct answers. Okay. Great. Next. Two times the A salary is 5 times the B salary. And 4 times the B salary is twice the C salary. Swarna is giving the first answer. Then Reshma is also giving. Well done, Reshma. I think, okay. Swarna was giving the answer of the previous question. Bhargavi, Reshma, PM. Okay. So 2 times the salary of A is equal to 5 times the salary of B. And 4 times the salary of B. Okay, take the ratio. Take the ratio. 5:2. And 2 times the salary of B. 4 times, sorry. And 4 times the salary of B is equal to twice the salary of C. 2B is equal to C. So B by C, 1/2. What is the common in both? What is the common in both? If you have not, just a minute. Gone. Writing is gone. 2 times the A salary is equal to 5 times the B salary. So A over B is in the ratio 5:2. and 4 times the B salary is equal to twice the C salary. B over C is in the ratio 2:4. B is common in both and coincidentally it's equal as well. B is common in both and coincidentally it's equal as well. So your A, B, C are A is 5, B is 2 and C is 4. And coincidentally they are equal as well. So it's 5 to 4. If C salary is 800, what is A salary? If 4 is given as 800, 4 2 ja 8, 1 is 200. So C salary would be, what is A salary? A is 5, 5 into 200, 1000 would be the answer. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Well done, Shubham. Well done, Sachin. Only Rushi. Sanjeev, Jajo, Bhargavi, and all others. Clear to all? Please do watch out. Please do watch out. B was common to both and its value was also equal in both the equations. Its value was also equal in both the equations. Any confusions whatsoever? If not, then you can raise your thumbs ups so that I will get to know it. Well done. Well done. Keep it up. This is you will do. If you want to do it with me, as of now, we can do it. If you want to do it with me, as of now, we can do it. However, if you want to do it at home, like giving it a sufficient time, then also I can keep it as a homework. Then I can keep it as a homework. Yeah. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Tell me what you want to do. However, you need to be very, very passionate while solving it. Okay, when more numbers are there, A, B, C, D, it is always advisable to start with the last number. When more numbers are there, it is always advisable to start with the last number. When more numbers are there, it is always advisable to start with the last number. Assume the last number as 100. C is 60% more than D. C is 60% more than D. 160. Oh, great. Half job done. Half job done. B is 60% less than C. Guys, if something is 60% less, can I say it is 40%? Like the statements is saying that B is 60% less than C. Where it is? B is 60% less than C. Guys, can I interpret this statement as B is 40% of C? Like, if you are 100, if you got 100 marks and your cousin or whomsoever has got 60 marks, yeah, and your cousin has got 60 marks, and you are saying he received 40% less than me. He received 40% less than me. You can also say it like he received 60% of me. Yeah? Clear? Is this point is clear? If you are saying that he received 60% less, 40% less than me, then you can also say that he received 60% of you. So B is 40% of C. What is 40% of 168? 64. 64. A is 40% more than D. Okay. A is 40% more than D. 40% more. 40% more. If you want to directly interpret it as 140% of B, you can interpret as 140% of B, or you can find out the 40% of this, then you can add. Then you can add 40%. 25.6 more. 25.6 more. So this is 89.6. Is it clear till here, guys? Is it clear till here? The main part is already done. Yeah, Rushi, we will discuss over that as well. Yeah, we will discuss over that as well. Okay. Can I continue after this? Can I continue after this now? How to give the correct answer? How to give the correct answer? C 60% more than B. Yeah, it's not 60% more. It's about more than double. It's double. C is more than double of B. C is more than double of B. Gone. Okay. A is 54% less than C. Chalo, let's see it. B is 36% less than D. B is 36% less than D. Yeah, it's 36 less. It's 36 less over 100 only. Yeah, then comparison from then D. Yeah, it's 36% less. Answer. Wow. Watch out. Watch out. B is 36 less. B is 36 less, definitely. And comparison from D. Comparison has to be made from D. Because D is written after then. Because D is written after then. So it's definitely 36 less over 100 into 100, 36%. If you want to check the other options, you can, but not compulsory. If you want to check the other options, you can, but it's not compulsory. Perfect. Perfect. Let's eliminate them as well. D is 10.4% more than A. Okay. D is 10.4 more. I agree. But comparison has to be made with A. But comparison has to be made with A. So 10.4 over 89.6 into 100. Definitely it would not be 10.4%. Gone. This is only for your confidence I'm doing it. This is only for your confidence I'm doing it. I agree that D is 10.4 more, but over 89.6, which is not 10.4%. A is 54% less than C. Okay. So A is how much less? A is 60 plus 10.4. 70.4 less. 70.4 over comparison from C. over 160 into 100. When you will solve it, it will also not come 54%. So that is also gone. Beta clear हुआ? कठिन है थोड़ा. It's tough. But taking some tough questions is also good. Yeah. But taking some tough questions is also good. Yeah. Isn't it? At least one tough question we will be taking every day. Yeah. Few easy, few moderate, and one tough. Because what will happen because of it? You would be exactly getting the examination. You would be exactly preparing to the examination then. Okay. As the examination comes, 80% easy, 10-15% moderate, 5% tough. We would also follow that pattern. Okay. 80% easy to tricky, then 10% moderate to moderate and tricky, then 5% is like a tough questions, whatever it comes. Okay. So this is the today's session. Tomorrow we will also continue in the percentages. Please make sure that you revise both the sessions. Dekho, yeah, here it is given as B as well. Yeah, answer was B. Okay. This is the homework for you. You have to give the answers in the comment box in the next 5 minutes only. You have to give the answers in the comment box, guys, in the next 5 minutes only. So that was today's session. I hope you must have thoroughly enjoyed it, thoroughly learned it, guys. Some more improvements you have done, like over the skills of percentage solving. I will meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Yeah, and do not forget to join those who are preparing for mains. My main session is also running. That is today at 1 p.m. So if you are preparing for mains as well, along with the next pre, you can attend that as well. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time, guys. See you soon in the next session.